Good evening friends. Today I'll be teaching you a very popular dish known as coconut kheer. So to make this I will be needing milk around, this is half liter, and you need coconut paste. It's better to use paste, but otherwise you can use grated coconut also. This is half coconut I have taken. Sugar around 10 tablespoons, but then you use it according to your choice. This is Khova. Khova I have taken 100 grams. Little bit of salt I'll be needing, and here I have few pieces of broken cashew, ghee, cardamom powder and Keora water. So let's get started with the cooking now. So my pan is here fully hot. You need to really hot the pan to start this. The first thing I will do is I will add the khova because this needs to melt it down. Okay, so and I will add a little bit of milk now to melt this one. Okay, the rest of the milk I will add it later on. So just melt it, because if you don't melt it before, no, it might have some lump which won't be good while eating. Try to break it also so that it will melt soon. If you feel you need to add more of milk, you can do this. I'll just simmer the gas. And I will add a little more milk, otherwise it will get burnt. See, this is totally melted. Okay. Now I'll just simmer the gas. First I will do is I will add the coconut, half coconut. If you want, you can take the brown skin off, but I prefer doing like this, so I just kept it. Just mix that also well. Mix the coconut well with the khova. And at this point of time, when it is mixed thoroughly, I will add the milk, rest of the milk. Okay, this is half liter milk. At this point of time, I will be giving cardamom powder. I have used 2 cardamom. If you like more flavor of the cardamom, you can use more also. I will keep this for some time because it really needs to thicken up, and you need to stir it continuously so that it doesn't get burned. So here, as you can see, our kheer is almost ready. You can see the consistency also. It should be like this, and it took around 20 minutes to 25 minutes. I will add the sugar now, so you can add it according to your taste. I'll just mix this. It's always good to add the sugar towards the end because it becomes more watery. I will add a pinch of salt. This is the secret of sweet dish. You should always add a pinch of salt, which will give better taste. I will add the cashew also now. So my kheer is almost ready. It's done. Now finishing touch is there a little bit. So at this point of time, You can off the gas. I'm adding little bit of Keora water. Like here I have added half tablespoon. You can add 1 teaspoon also, that will be fine. Just mix it. Okay. And I will add half teaspoon of ghee. Ghee has also melted. Let me serve the dish.